I was thinking about something that we could do to get clutter out of our houses before Thanksgiving. For those who celebrate, if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving or you're not in the US or whatever, it's just before next Thursday. And I thought of a fun 5-day, what I'm calling Thankful Decluttering Challenge. So I have never done like a short little decluttering challenge like this before. Usually I do longer decluttering challenges, which can be great. But at this time of year, most of us are like running around like chickens with our heads cut off. We're extremely busy. And I know the last thing I really want to commit to right now, probably the last thing most people want to commit to, is like a really long decluttering challenge. So I thought, what's a way that we can like get a ton of results in just like a short little period of time? And I thought a 5-day challenge right before Thanksgiving, focusing on getting 20 things out of our homes every day. That would be 100 things in 5 days, 100 fewer things that we have to worry about taking care of and dusting and guest seeing and all that kind of stuff. So I have made up this little printable. The thankful part is because each day we're going to spend a little time writing down 5 things that we're thankful for. So this is, timely for Thanksgiving, but also practicing daily gratitude is one of those things that I notice a big difference in my life when I am intentional about that. So this is something that really could be done year round. It doesn't have to be done just for Thanksgiving, but it fit the theme pretty well. And then after we write down the 5 things we're thankful for, I put in 20 little boxes. So you can color like one box in for each item you get rid of. And then by the end, we'll have 100 things gone from our homes. So the printable is going to be available on my blog soon. I just had this idea last night and just made the printable 2 hours ago. So between getting the kids settled and getting myself ready to be somewhat presentable for you guys, I haven't gotten the blog post written yet, but I'll have the blog post up tonight, and I'll post another picture on my Instagram feed and then also on Facebook, sharing where you can get that if you'd like a copy. But I also want to tell you some of the things that we will be doing for the program for accountability. So I just finished, in September, I ran my 31 Days of Decluttering Challenge. That's a paid program that people can do. And every day I posted an accountability thread. And when the challenge was over, I had multiple people reaching out to me, either in messages in our group or in emails saying, can we please keep this going? These accountability threads have been amazing. And I'm getting so much more done than I ever have before. My home looks great and all this kind of stuff. So I wanted to carry that into this little challenge as well. And do a daily accountability thread for everyone who wants to participate. So if you are interested in getting those, that daily feedback and being able to check off and share your progress with other people who are working on decluttering, then we'd love for you to join the Declutterathon group on Facebook. That is my group all about decluttering and organizing. It has over 33,000 people in it now from all over the world, and it's a really supportive and amazing community full of like-minded people. We work really hard to keep that group really supportive and encouraging, so we very politely show unkind people the door. So if you're feeling apprehensive or maybe alone with your clutter or anything like that, I promise you will find kindred spirits in the Declutterathon. Let's see, I wrote little notes because, I have mommy brain. If I don't have notes, I'm not going to remember a thing. So the other thing I wanted to say is anyone who completes the challenge, so gets rid of 100 things in 5 days, and takes pictures to document what they got out of their home, will be entered to win a $50 Amazon gift card straight from me. It's not sponsored or anything. It's just my gift to you. The only caveat is don't use it on clutter. So buy things that you either actually need, will help you take better care of yourself. You know, special treats, fine. Just don't go out and buy more clutter, because that would kind of defeat the purpose. And I would feel guilty. And I will be sharing more about how you can show me that you've, done the work and enter later in the week, because I have to figure all that out. So like I said, this is very last minute. And then what was the other thing I wanted to say? So I know anytime I put a challenge like this together, sometimes people get a little, people just want to know the rules, which I appreciate. So we are starting tomorrow. And then I said it's a 5-day challenge, but I'm actually going to keep it open through the following Wednesday. And I'm doing that because I know that some people are going to be busy this weekend and they're not going to be able to, work on Saturday and Sunday. Other people, maybe they're busy on the weekdays and they can only work on Saturday and Sunday, and they want to get rid of 50 or 100 things in just 1 or 2 days. That's fine. That is perfectly fine. It doesn't have to be 20 things on the first day, 20 things on the second day. That takes all the fun out of it and defeats the purpose. I'm not a stickler for silly rules like that. My goal is simply to help you declutter, to make it fun, for us to do this as a community, to cheer each other on. And so, as long as 100 things exit your home between basically right now, right this second, you don't have to wait until tomorrow, and next Wednesday, take pictures, let me know, and you'll be entered for that gift card. And most importantly, we all kind of ultimately win, because we'll have less junk in our homes. So that's always good. If you are on Instagram and want to share your progress, if you use the hashtag #ThankfulDecluttering, that'll be a great way for me to be able to just find you quickly and easily and see like what you're doing and cheer you on. I'm gonna use it myself. Hopefully I'll remember. I've got it in my notes, so there's a chance I might actually remember. But I thought that would be a great way for the community to kind of rally around one another and, cheer each other on. Most of the participation, I'm guessing, will probably be in that Declutterathon group on Facebook. So like I said, if you want some support or encouragement, we'd love to have you there. I think I have it linked in my bio, and then it's just facebook.com/group/declutterathon. It's pretty easy to find. So that's it. 20 things a day, or 100 total, out of our homes between now and Thanksgiving. I think it'll be a great way to make some progress quickly and have a little less to worry about before the holidays. And don't forget, you can grab your free printable. I will link to that in my bio later today, and then it'll also be on my blog, happyorganizedlife.com. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me or comment on one of my pictures, and I will help you out, and I will talk to you later. Bye.